they will Bukak Kotak for this package that I received.
Hello, can I help you?
Okay, let's go. Place the order, I think 2 days ago, and this is it. This morning. Is a wireless audio. See? XFree tune wireless headphone. Place the order from the Shopee, Malaysia. Very wrapped in a nice and safe package with the bubble wrap. Okay, yes, this is it. So let's do it. Bukak Kotak. Wow, it's a nice closure, nice case with a Tribit signature. And this is the box. It's mentioned here: comfortable, long battery life, foldable, and superior sound. This is from Tribit Malaysia. Bought it from Tribit Malaysia. It supports Bluetooth version 4.1, Bluetooth profile, A2DP, AV, RCP, HFP, HSP. Record size is 40 mm. Frequency response between 20 kHz. Battery is lithium polymer. Music play time up to 40 hours. Varies by volume level and audio content. Charging time is 3 hours. Weight is 288 grams. Okay, let's do it. Let's see what's inside the closure. So this is the closure. It's got a nice zipper. Yeah, very smooth. Yes, inside here. You got the user manual as usual. Okay. And then, okay, it's got nice netting here where you can put. This is the USB adapter, and also the 3.5mm jack to jack. Yes. And this is it. It's very light. This is my second Bluetooth headphone. The first one was in 2007. The Motorola F6. Oh, okay. It's good. Easy to maneuver. Got a very soft leather like head cup ear cup, sorry, and then the Tribit logo with the red dash there. See, you can see the X Tribit logo. It's foldable like this, so you can put it inside the casing. It's very easy. Let's switch it on. Left side is made in China, so this is the on button here. Alright, okay, there you go. Pairing it with my TV. Let's do it. Okay, there is the Tribit XFree tune need pairing. So pair and connect. Now it's connected. So I will put it heads on and try. So this is the sound from the headphone. Got very soft. Very soft. We try the Ace of Face. Nice. And this, you can volume up using your remote controller. It's good. The sound is great. The bass, and the treble clarity is good. Thank you very much all. Subscribe guys. Subscribe is gratis. Yeah. Let's enjoy the music. Thank you.